Hi smart people, we are in Jumeirah Park where actually we already finished this really interesting, glam, nice project with our client. There is a family of 4, they are Italian. I used to know her, but I know her better during the renovation journey. It was a very nice discovery, so come with me and I really want to show you the house. So entering here, we have the gate, we change the door, and we select together with her an aluminium door in order to have this timeless, no problem with the wood, maintenance and so on. So I'm ringing the bell. Hello! Hi Monica!
Hi. How are
Ciao.
you?
Nice to see you.
That's great to see you.
Thanks for letting me in. And this is Monica. So she's the owner of this beautiful house. I'm going to explain you quickly and briefly the project. So thanks. We start with the floor. It's a beautiful big slab tiles that we really like this because it's travertine, not too Mediterranean, not too modern, very warm, but in the same time super chic. The idea at the entrance was to have a spotlight, so we decided to put this beautiful chandelier we choose together, and I think it was a really great idea because this part of Jumeirah Park is always a little bit dark. Powder room, as always, the inspo, the initial inspo is a Tiffany. This house is really a Tiffany villa. So the powder room, wash basin all the time. It's our cherry on the cake. And here we add this extra cabinet in order to have more space. So of course design but practicality, special paint all around and molding. We are the one that upload on Pinterest, we don't copy Pinterest. So if you're looking for in Pinterest about this bathroom, you cannot find. And this for me, it's what I really like. I hate copy picture on Pinterest. We can get some inspo, of course, all of us we do, but cannot be the major theme of your house, Pinterest, of your friend or whatever. So you have your own personality and we help you to take it out, this personality in your house. If I enter this here, I immediately really think it's the house of Monica. So with regards to staircase, we decide to keep the same marble. We just changed the color of rail in champagne because it was more the color adapted for this house. In collaboration with the carpenter, we designed together these beautiful bookshelves in order to have everything more organized and to make it cozy, the space, because remember that it's nice to dress the house with 2-3 pieces, that's it. All the rest you can buy whatever you want. We decided together with the client to close completely the staircase. I don't like in Jumeirah Park the fact that when you are sitting on the couch, you see the staircase. Or even if you make the best staircase in the world, is although a closed staircase. I like this. We decided to have a mirror in order to give more depth to the house. Open completely the window. This was I think the major really change that we've done in the house. A kitchen, again, is a beautiful kitchen, an open space, a quartz that we decided together in this light blue that add the touch without really compromise the chic of the house. On the dining table, this chic chandelier that is the perfect adding piece. I was really love she painted the dining table for outdoor in this Tiffany color. She was never worried to take a challenge, and I really like this because of course to do everything beige is easy, everyone can do, but introducing color is something that makes the house an happy house. It's your dream house, is absolutely your house. Now we move and I'll show you also the guest bathrooms. You know, in the Jumeirah Park you have the guest bedroom at the ground floor. We have a very nice bathroom that is a deep ocean bathroom. This we choose together with them and the husband loved these tiles, and we decided really, yes, let's give a credit. These blue beautiful ocean tiles, adding touch from me and her, the mosaic, mother of pearl mosaic. See, it's a small bathroom, but it's really immersive. This is what I like about it. And here we have this beautiful niche. Every single niche is quartz. So you know quartz, it's really resistant and don't absorb. Countertop is in quartz, vanity counter oak color, and then a beautiful sink white, super practical but super nice. So we go upstairs in the second floor, where actually we choose with the client this really nice wood color, not too Mediterranean, not too elegant. So master bedroom has been completely changed. See here, when you enter, you have already part of the master bathroom. Entering here, the beautiful closet. in collaboration with the carpenter Cordoba. It's been very, very good, very collaborative, and the result is super, super nice. Let's go in the master bathroom. The tiles, again, ocean blue in combination with the beautiful linen color. See, also here, all these are hidden cabinet in order to maximize the space. Okay, design is very important, but it's very important practicality. Imagine how many stuff you can fix here. Now, vanity, double sink, the bidet, this you can really understand, they are Italian. We add the touch of mosaic mother pearl, huge shower, bench, and this incredible, beautiful bathtub, freestanding, and together we decided to have this blue in this part, one floor coming up, interruption with the blue tiles. So there is no rule, there is only the rule that goes for your house to decide together. On top we have a beautiful niche. This bathroom is really fantastic. We are in the master bedroom. Master bedroom is really, really big. The color palette is really natural, big, massive, elegant, luxury. On the back she has other cabinet, extra cabinet, cabinet is never enough. So let's go to see the kids' bathroom. For the two boys, we use this very nice and chic charcoal grey with this vanity that is in this beautiful, elegant brown that really makes an adding piece. So vanity, quartz on top, quartz on the niche, of course all the time LED, mirror with LED, and huge walk-in shower. Very nice. What I like about these tiles is the texture of the tiles. We select together with the sun, so I'm really, really happy about the result and really happy about this house. Stay tuned by Smart Renovation channel.